Morning guys, welcome back. This weekend I am going to be painting the van. So I've got my mask because I've already started sanding it down. And what I've done is I've gone over the whole lot with a 180 grit. And then on top of that then I've gone over with a 320 grit and then a 600 grit. What you do is you work your way down the finer grits to get rid of any scratches or anything. So I've done that around most of the van, about half of the van's done now. So another time consuming job, but it's got to be done and I might as well do it properly. So I'm doing that now. I've also bought some lightweight body filler from Toolstation, which I think is about £3 something. It sets really quick as well. So I've gone around a few of the dents and holes and stuff with that, which I'll show you shortly. The spray that I've gone for, it's a graffiti spray. The one I've chose, you can use it all year round, so it's not temperature guided. Others might be like it as well, but I'm not too clued up on graffiti spray. So this is the one I've gone for. It's the white Montana, and I've gone for the B52 grey. It looks quite black on there, but it's like a really dark gunmetal grey. So all good. Yesterday I started on the bonnet because I think it was last year I hand painted with a roller on the bonnet and the roof, and then within an hour of me finishing it rained, so it hasn't turned out the best. There was orange peel on there. So yesterday, while I was waiting for the hardener to go off on some of the van, I decided to go across the bonnet, and I'm quite surprised on how nice it turned out. It's still not the best because of the previous one. I did try and flatten the old paint that was on there. Clearly I never done it good enough, but I'm happy. It's much better than what it was. The whole van on the outside I've had to put in loads of filler. There's loads of dents, there's rust. It's bad. So no matter how bad the new paint job looks, I know it's still going to be better than what it was, and I didn't fancy forking out £1,200 plus to get someone to paint it or wrap it. So this is a budget option. So far I bought 20 of these. I think it was £70. That was off Graph City. Yeah, there is another one, Fat Buddha store, which I think is slightly more expensive, but I think I might need a few more because one was used just on the bonnet alone, so I might need to order some more of them. This is a medium wheel based transit hot meter roof, so we'll see how far it goes. Sanding. With the spray cans, they don't work. You gotta take the lids off and you get a little washer to stop them from spraying. Put the lid back on. These are about £5.99 on Amazon, and they literally just sit on the top of the can. It makes it a lot easier, and you don't get the paint finger. There we go, the first coat. Got a little run there, but I can sand that out before the next coat goes on, so I can flatten that. Quite nice stuff to work with, to be fair. Still a bit wet. Just got to put the rings around the edge. Just gonna wait for it to dry properly. Still a bit wet there. So I deleted quite a few videos by mistake. These are the before and after photos. I also went over the top, as you can see now, with 2 clear coats of lacquer. As I said, I deleted them by mistake, but that has had 2 coats. They haven't been buffed down and they've just been left as 2 coats because I'm happy with the finish as it is. From eBay, I bought some wind deflectors which literally just stick onto the door and go over the window. Perfect, and I would recommend them. Very cheap but very good. So in total I used 28 cans of spray and also about 12 cans of clear coat lacquer. In total with the sandpaper it come to just under £150, so not bad for a budget spray job.